back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. Recently, I was going through my old photos and videos and I came across my huge art project from 2020 where I painted my own cot. I really wanted to make a video on it and show you all how I actually did it. So now it's story time. So back in 20 when COVID hit and we were in lockdown, my parents decided to make a single cot for my bedroom. So they asked me my preference and I told them I wanted a plain white cot. So they had it made, and when the carpenters actually came and assembled it in my room, it looked a lot like a coffin. So I asked them to disassemble it and I decided to paint it piece by piece. To my surprise, my mom was pretty supportive and she took me to the paint store nearby to buy some enamel paint. So I ended up buying some red, orange and yellow enamel paint to fit the theme of my room, and I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed painting my own cot. So here's all the materials I bought to start painting my cot. I bought 3 whole cans of enamel paint, some turpentine, a tarpaulin sheet and some paint brushes along with a few different sizes of masking tape. I started painting a waste part that was not going to be part of the cot, just to get an idea. This was my first time painting on wood with enamel, so I was a bit hesitant at first. Soon I realized that I absolutely loved doing this. I used masking tape to make a few fun patterns. This whole project took me the whole month of December in 2020. All I did that month was go home, sleep, eat and wake up to come back to paint. I was so absorbed in it. Once the trial piece had turned out well, it was time to start with the drawers. I had no idea what designs to do, so I started painting them color by color to end up with a sunset pattern. You can see me struggling to blend the enamel paint, somehow hoping they will blend together. Next, it was time to paint the headboard. I started with using masking tape and referencing a cot I had seen on Pinterest. This was by far my favorite part of painting this cot, especially because I was able to sit on it and paint. Next, it was time to work on the sideboard. I used some masking tape to create some designs. Anyway, here's the assembling and the finished piece. Here's the final look of the cot, and let me know in the comments below if you liked it. I personally loved making this and I loved how it turned out. Hope you liked this video and see you in my next art project. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.